It works. Sledding on the grass. Our homemade tube hovercraft is a 90-degree PVC fitting under there, duct taped to the leaf blower, single zip tie mounting it onto a piece of, this is 2 pieces of 1/2-inch foam taped together. And then on the bottom side of it, we have it coming out of this. We have a little diverter, and the diverter inflates the skirt. And then I melted some holes in here with a hot screwdriver so that when this inflates, some of the air is diverted, inflates the tube, the rest of the air comes down and creates the high pressure chamber inside here. The leaf blower, it's turned on. That inflates the skirt, gives it all structure. And now the air is flowing out of all those little holes, and that makes it work. All right, let's see how much it can take. Avery, you hop on. Yep, it still works.
Understood.
I don't know how well this is going to work, but slide forward. Perfect. Ah! You're trying to pull her uphill. Here, let me get her up there and then you can do it.